welcome to MarineMax Jacksonville. Thanks you for stopping in. Today we're going to take a look at this 2019 17-foot Montauk from Boston Whaler. Extremely popular boat, perfect for the intercoastal here in Jacksonville, also able to go offshore on those nice days. First we're going to start with the power plant back here. This boat is available with either a 90 horse or 115 horse Mercury engine. Fantastic motors, built for salt water, easy to flush, great warranty. Moving forward, you're going to notice this large open deck area. The boat has a built-in 22-gallon fuel tank, gives you plenty of range. At the helm here, you've got a very large live well, which also doubles as a cooler or dry storage. Comfortable helm seat, facing forward. You can sit facing to the rear, or what I like to do is adjust this backrest so I've got a nice, comfortable leaning post when I'm standing here driving. This is fantastic on a 17-foot boat. I still have plenty of room up here, and I'm not a small guy. You've got plenty of room on the dash for a 9-inch screen to be flush mounted. There's power outlets here to charge your cell phones and accessories. We've got this stainless steel bimini top that's secured here in the middle, keeps it nice and stable and doesn't rock back and forth. And then moving forward, we've got a lot of neat stuff up here. This boat's got the fishing package, which includes some additional rod holders, a removable cooler seat, there's some tackle storage on the right-hand side, and then I've got two separate storage boxes. This can be used as a cooler. The entire boat is foam filled. This is solid, holds ice like a Yeti cooler. What's nice about this model is you've got a separate anchor locker storage, so you can have a separate fish box of dry storage and your anchor. Now this boat features the full bow rails, the high sides, the high bow rail in the front. It's also available with low profile bow rails, and we can also do a trolling motor panel in the front with no bow rail for you fishermen who like to go ahead and use the trolling motor. If you've got any questions, please call us at MarineMax Jacksonville. Thanks again. My name's Larry, and have a great day.